YouTube, I'm Robert Sharp. Welcome to my cheap video rig build. I got a couple projects I've been working on that require me to make some videos. A lot of this is going straight up to YouTube. So what this is here is a review of the camera system that I've built. It's actually the camera that's taking this video right now. So I don't know much about making videos, doing photography, so this took me a lot of searching online on Amazon and some photography websites, trying to come up with what would fit the needs that I had. I needed to video a bunch of like this, talking head videos, and also some videos of people based in movement, but not really fast, not sprinting, not cars going 60 miles an hour. So with all the reviews that I read, I came up with this Canon was a really good camera, but a lot of people complained about the autofocus on it, saying that it wasn't very fast, or that the images weren't clear, took too long, to focus, and if there's movement, things would be hazy. So in the following clips, you're going to see some videos that have been taken with this that show those issues, that show some of the good sides and the bad aspects of this camera. So I have to say that right now, I've had it for 3 or 4 days, and I'm really impressed with this. I was trying to do this as cheap as possible because I don't know how long I'm going to do this project. So this camera rig that you'll be seeing altogether cost me $366. Like I said, it took a lot of shopping online. This stuff all came from Amazon, and the body that I bought is actually the international version. I didn't know that there was international versions or anything like that previous. So after a lot of searching, I found international version. I found it's the cheapest way to go. It doesn't offer the warranty that Canon has with its products that you buy through Canon or through an official Canon dealer, but okay, so here's the rig, Canon EOS M2. So what came in the Canon package was just the white camera that you see and this big lens here. Lens is a 18 by 55 millimeter. It's pretty nice, actually. It's a kit lens, but I've got no problems. It fits the parameters of the project. So I also added a Takstar mic to this. It's really nice that this camera has a 3.5 millimeter jack, and it also has an HDMI port. So really, really nice features here. I want to shoot at odd angles. This camera, it's really small. It's basically the size of like a point and shoot camera. So I didn't want to just sit there, and hold it up close to my eyes, and especially with this small LCD screen here. So I got a little handle on there, and I actually got a handle that threads on the bottom, which just gives you, a little more places to grip, makes it a little more practical. So one of the nice things about this camera that I didn't realize when I bought it, because like I said, I just read online and keep reading reviews, is it has a touch screen. And actually it has a really nice display here. The menus are all pretty easy, nice and sharp, really easy to navigate through. So this is a pretty user-friendly camera, especially for someone like me who has limited experience. So all in all, I'm pretty impressed. Tell me when you're ready.
All right, go.
Okay. Hi, I'm Robert Sharp. I'm at Open Guard here, and these are a couple things that I'm working at for this week. There's a lot of guys that'll still work in this tight, closed guard and come up and get this collar grab and just try to be nice and tight the whole way through, right? And maybe start working for a choke, start working for a sweep or a different position. Now, it really, I don't like fighting and struggling and try to take these traditional guard escapes, like where you're trying to break my guard and get out the back, right? So I got a little something that I'm working on right here. So, okay, you want to cut there?